batas at walang problema. And I issued that warning because he was my supporter. Or he is, or was, I really do not know kung amigo pa ba meron. After talking to him few hours ago, na I made a commitment that yung mga sa armed forces at ang mga police must be neutral, pati ako. That is why one of the reasons, maybe for reasons of delicadeza, cabinet members are in the gray area of whether or not they can campaign for any particular candidate. But the popular notion is that they can. But pinagbawalan ko sila kasi every time that you go out of wherever, you use gasoline of the government, if not the car itself. So sabi ko sa kanila, para wala na lang maistorya, and just to be fair with everybody, sabi ko, huwag kayong mga kampanya. But that they are here, they can attend, and I can endure that. Pero to actively talk openly sa stage or in a public place, sabi ko, huwag. Kasi, paraway na kang watay kuskus balungos. At ganikan itong nahitabo, and I would like to also, wala akong mag-warning. Ano lang ko nga ayaw, because that is my commitment to the nation. Do not do it because ako ang makalaban mo. This is for my candidates and for the opposition. Everybody's stand or position must be respected. That is the rule in this country. This is democracy.